Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to create one of the scanner which helping you to make a swing trading opportunities. And before going to the video, I was thankful to you all, those who are making a subscription of my channel. So we are reaching almost 10,000 subscribers. So after a long back, so 4-digit subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you for those who are already subscribed and those who are going to be subscribed this channel. And this is what a good. We are reaching more than 10,000 now. So maybe soon it will be reaching more than lakh. So thank you for your great support and supporting my YouTube channel. And thank you so much each and everyone who are subscribing the channel and following with me on my YouTube channel. And recently we made the scanner regarding swing trading. I got a good response from you. So I thought to make a scanners like that. And also we have a premium group. So whatever the scanner which I have created, that is going to be updated on my premium and paid group. So if you want, you can access that all my scanner which is updated on the group only. And once again, thank you all who are making this a milestone of 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And let me start a video. So what we are going to do here, this is what a special video for my 10,000 subscribers. And I'm going to make this scanner will be updated on my description link. And if you want to use it, you can copy and you can use it. And I will provide you this link of this particular scanner on my description. Okay. So thanks for supporting my YouTube channel. And this is what a thing which I'm looking for. So a stock which is trading in a trending in uptrend. Okay, so maybe a swing trading scanner which I'm using for finding a pullback opportunity. So if after that trend, so if you are looking at this particular stock, the trend is keep on moving higher, right? You just keep on moving higher. So maybe where I can focus for a pullback entries or the correction. So where I can clear uptrend. So maybe this time which is a correction. Maybe if you are finding an opportunity at this point, again it's slight up and again down. So again the trend is continuous. Maybe at this areas, the lows, swing lows, the stock already in uptrend. We are trying to find out a buying opportunity with that lower level. So that I'm going to create with this scanner. So I'm using two indicators. One is about EMA 20. So another one is ADX. ADX is around 14. Okay, so these are all the conditions which I am going to apply. It's a simple scanner, but at a powerful scanner as a positional trade. So I don't know whether it is going to work for an intraday or not, but as a positional trade, as a swing trade, that's going to be work very perfect on in daily time frame. So that I have already done. So simply where we can try to find out with the stock which taken a support on moving averages. Okay, so it's a clear uptrend from there and it taken a support from that point and again it bounces back and it again came down and taken a support from that level and again it moves back. So such a kind of opportunity which I'm going to plan with this particular scanner, which I'm going to create some stock which forming such a pattern and is that giving you some swing opportunities. Hope you understood. So maybe some other scanners also I can let you know. So the looping where I seen sometimes back here on 23rd September at this move, October, sorry, 20, here is the point, 23rd October. Okay, so here we can 23rd September, 23rd October, maybe this point. So this is what a point where it is clearly uptrend moving on. Okay, so it taken a support from that level and after that it moves down and reverse back. So I need to find an opportunity only about to this level. So such a thing which I'm going to plan with this scanner. Simply the scanner will help you to make a bounce back entry opportunities on the uptrend stocks. So how do I find out the uptrend stocks? If the stocks is keep on rising and the ADX value, ADX is the one of the, you can look at this, the trend. It's keep on rising and ADX also rising. ADX is rising, it means it's also increase in the volatility also be the one more important. So if we are using the ADX value greater than some point, So that is also working better and good. So these are all the conditions which I'm going to create. And this is for my 10,000 subscriber special scanner, which you can make use of it free. Okay. So let me open a Chartink. So Chartink is a good platform to find out a trade opportunity very easily with that condition. So I'm going to use with the futures. Okay. So instead of 30, so ADX is keep on rising. So here in this point, you can look at this ADX is around 80. After that, it moves down. But you look at the trend, it is moving upside, but ADX is going down. So, but ADX is the value which is going to the strength of the trend. Okay. So if it is greater than 20 or 25, it is a good sign of uh, great trend. Okay, so like this, and we can add some more conditions that will help us to find such a trade opportunity. Okay, and let me try to do this. First of all, I want to use the moving average as my main condition. So EMA, so the low of that particular day. So one who asking about some doubts in the comment. So daily candle, previously the charting showing you the latest candle, but now they're showing you as a daily candle. Okay, the daily and latest both are same. Okay, so currently some update on this website. So it's showing you some colorful things. And previously it is the latest candle, now it is daily candle. Okay, so we are using greater than sorry, the low, na? So low must be less than. So this two lines will easily giving you such an idea. EME exponential moving average, which I am using daily close of 20. Previously it's showing only close, now it is showing you daily close. Okay, so this is what a one condition. So you can copy these conditions to get one more opportunity. So one day go low. It will tell you simply must be greater than. I will show you what is the condition where I'm writing here at this moment. Okay, so EMA one day ago, EMA close. So if you are using this condition, so whatever the stock which is scanned by the scanner, well, for example, Kotak Mahindra Bank, yesterday it was trading above to the EMA and today it was trading below to the 20 EMA. So I will show you, and that is what a Kotak Mahindra Bank. So we go for Kotak Mahindra Bank, Kotak Bank. Look at this. Yesterday, the low of that particular candle is greater than the 20 EMA period, and today it is the low. I'm just mentioning the low, not by the close. If you are making a close, that will be changing. Okay, at this point, the low is taken as support. You can see it taken as support and it is closed with positive. Maybe this as a good sign for a reversal, but the stock is not moving as a trending one. It is taking a downtrend. So we are looking for uptrend stocks which is going to be down. So here you can see that ADX where it is just about 18. So if I'm looking for a trend, maybe around 30 plus or 40 plus, so we at least 25 plus about the ADX, that is going to give you such a great opportunity. So hope you understood. It is showing you the support which is taken, and also one more condition which you can give. So let me show you that open. The close must be greater than the open. So this condition will always tell you exact support which is taken greater than. So initially we don't, sorry, the daily close greater than the open. Okay. So if you are giving this condition, perfect reversal stock, which you can easily find out. Without that condition, so we can see lot of stocks. If you're adding this condition, you can see lot more stocks like a Federal Bank. I will show you that what is happening here. Federal Bank, it not taken the support. It taken the support, but it was a down candle. It is not a green candle. Instead of that, it is going to be move lower. So it is not about a green candle. It was a trending down candle. So I'm just looking for the here is maybe a support. Okay, or here it may be a support at this point. And about to this, I can look for a buy opportunity maybe. Okay, so here is the condition. So what are the other conditions which I can use? Maybe this line is a more important one. So right now I'm just adding this and ADX. So trend strength which we can finding out with is greater than number 30 or 29.2 or 20 or maybe 30 also be the round number. Okay, so if you run this, we don't get any stocks. Let me save this to get a result. pullback. Okay, I will share you this link for the scanner in my YouTube description, and you can look at this. Recently, we have some stocks like in Avin Fluoride and 1711. So let me check what is happening. Navin fluoride, you look at this, previously it is greater than and it's less than, and you can see this is a red candle, so we are not going to focus this as a red candle. So we have a lot of stocks also. Okay, so if you are adding this, you can see the back test result first. So huge number of stocks, it is not a good for taking a multiple trades. Okay, so simply if you are adding this condition, so let me check very few, so comparatively very less, and at this point 16 power grid 1611. So let me check whether power grid is good or bad. You can see here 1611. So this is what a support. Thus I only about to this I can look for a buying opportunity because market is keep on moving higher. You can see the uptrend in stock, and this after making the high, and it is taken a support from the EMA 20. Okay, and it lows less than and it is closed greater than, and this may be an higher point. So I can wait for by maybe this is happening recently around 1611. I'll be go to check previous ones. October 19 Titan Escorts 1910. Okay, so let me go for a Titan 1910. What is 10? 19 October. Maybe this one. So here it is an trend. Okay, so here is the point. This high should be my opportunity. Okay, but recently it is not broken. Maybe it broken at this point of this area, and that candle low would be my stop loss or swing low, which I can make as a stop loss. In this point, so nothing happened. So it may be broken. The swing low is very big, so I don't want to go for any S cards and LNT. So you can decide what kind of strategies which you can follow. LNT, this is what an opportunity 19th October. That high is not broken. Okay, so and LNT, and even one more condition, we can use it without this close. Okay, then we can how we can use, so ADX, we need to rising ADX. Okay, so simply we can go for, so 5 days. So it must be greater than 30. This is also be one more condition which you can use, and you can see lot of stocks provided a lot of stocks here. It's a loop in on 23rd, NMDC on 23rd, where it is 23rd here, 23rd here is the candle, and this I should be my breakout point. So 158, maybe that candle low or this recent swing low is my stop loss, where it is giving you such an opportunity, and as a positioner it is moving towards the top of 177 from the high 158. So that is giving you such a good result. And NMDC B soft idea is a very low value stock. Power grid, and again power grid on the same day 23rd, maybe this, and that high is not broken and making a very smaller low, and that would be broken, and now it is moving higher, and it went up to 240. That is also works better. And the power grid which you have seen, and then REC Limited in this one on 23rd. This is what a 23rd, this high is broken, and 291, because the trend is clear uptrend. So we are trying to find out a pullback opportunity at a lowest level. Maybe here also we have the condition is satisfied, and from that point of 252, that is also be working better. In RSC idea B soft is the one more thing on the day. We check this again 23rd. This is the D, and that high also broken. So we can go for a previous back test at this point of August. ONGC in the copper. August. This point 18th August. This is what an 18th August. We are looking for a trend reversal. That high is too very important. So where it is broken at this point only, and maybe the swing low, and after that it was giving you such a good result in the copper and MPSs. I hope you understood what we are looking here in the scanner, and that will be helping you to make such opportunity. 23rd August, here is the 22nd and 23rd. This happening what 18/8, not a 23rd, 18. So here is the day where 18th August, and that high is broken, and such a giving you such a good movement from the top. almost 20%, with the stop loss maybe below 6%. So that is also working on into copper, MPRs and HDFC AMC. So you can also do the back test, and if you have any update also, you can let me know. This is what a day where 18th August. Here is the point, and it broke in that level. Maybe that stop loss got triggered. Even a swing low also be got triggered, but after your stop loss, that it went up to some huge move. Okay, so something like in the MPSs. And 23rd August, 18th August, maybe that point. And this high is broken, and this swing low, that is giving you such a good result. I hope you understood. Even we can modify with this particular thing, and we have some opportunities even more. And this condition if you added, and it will be showing you very less number of stocks. Okay, so you can check also Titan, Escorts, LNT, and Lalpaths. Maybe Titan and Escorts on the day of 1910. So let me go for Titan 1910. Here is the point, but it doesn't break the high, so we don't have an opportunity. Escorts India 1910 doesn't broke the high. Maybe pull back LNT and Lalpath left. LNT, that is also not broken. Maybe that high is broken recently. Lalpath left. This one, the date is around 1910. 1910 is the here, and this high is broken, but unfortunately it triggers your stop loss, and then it went higher. Maybe this is not an 100% accurate system. So maybe if you are following the system with some other indicators, that will be going to give you such a big opportunity. So pullback swings channel, so that we can use, and I will be going to give you in my dashboard or in my description, so you can also copy and use it. And thank you for watching, and if thank you for subscribing the channel. So with the help of you and subscribing the channel to reach more than 10,000 subscribers as of now. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thanks to you all those who are joined on my channel. Thank you so much.